We're going to start from measure number 1 with an E, and then hold it for an extra beat, and then lift your finger off. Then D, and hold, and lift off. And then C, hold, and lift off. And then remember, the buns are hot, so be careful because, ouch! Ah, you burned yourself. You have to be really careful with this. All right, now let's see how the next two measures go. Listen to how they sound all put together. E, hold, D, hold, C, hold, and ouch! We burned ourselves again. You give it a try, but be careful. Okay, I think this next part of the song is safe. Let's go to measure number 5. We're going to look here. We're going to go C, 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 C. And make sure to get 4 of those exactly. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then how many D's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. And then remember this part. We go E, hold, D, hold, C, hold, and then ouch! You have to be very careful. All right, now let's go to the top of page 2. This is our beginning of our long songs section. So these are our 2-page songs. Now, how many C's do we have right here? 1, 2, 3, 4. And make sure to play them slow and steady like that. And then here we have D, hold, D, hold. And then how many E's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then look at the letter D right here. We have D, and then hold it, keep holding it, and keep holding it, like this. D, hold, hold, hold. And then we're almost done with our long song. Here we go. Let's try measure 13. How many C's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then how many D's do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. And then our last few notes, be very careful. E, hold, D, hold, C, hold, and then ouch! With 4 exclamation marks because it is the 4th time you've burnt yourself. But you did a very nice job. Go get a Band-Aid, get some help from your parents, and let's be playful. Great job. The number one thing that makes it hard to succeed are songs written in notes that are too hard to read. For the best start to piano, whether teacher, dad, or mom, try my courses for free at exactnotes.com.